exact moment in time, we have hit 50 subscribers. We've actually hit 51. I just want to say thanks, man, because that's not just 50 mates of mine that have subscribed, because I don't have 50 mates, unfortunately. That's actual people that have seen my videos and thought, yeah, I'll subscribe and watch some of that. So thanks. Appreciate it. I mean, that's not a very big milestone, but it's still a rounded number. Okay guys, so I'm going to go meet this guy called Michael that I met at work who rides a bike. He doesn't actually work there, he's just a customer. And we're going to go meet up with my other mate Jamie, who has been in a few of my other videos. We're going to go out for a ride together. This video is going to include clips from the ride. It's also going to be clips from previous days where I've been out riding or going to work, and just the things I've picked up then as well. Hope you guys enjoy it, and peace. Okay, so we've got Jamie, we've got Michael, and we've got the bikes. Fuck me, 83 mile an hour on the flat. Jamie's got his front of his helmet up, his face must look like, he must look like Jeremy Clarkson right now. Come on bro, I'm not even tucking in yet. Oh, that was sick, eh? This is like a nice place for a drag race.
Yes, but you know you're going to win.
Yes, yeah. How about like a first to 50 and then stop?
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go! That kid was so excited. He's going to be a biker when he grows up. Mini bear. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Don't jaywalk. Yo, what a view. What a view. What a view.
yeah.
I think that's a nice photo opportunity. keeps that thing looking mint. Can eat my dinners off of that. Could literally eat my dinners off the bumper of a Mercedes E-Class. The fuck? I think I just got shot on by a bird. I did just get shot on by a bird, what the fuck? No! I just got shot on. Are you taking a piss? Fuck's sake. I'm gonna walk up into work with shit on my shoulder and oh, look at that shit. Phone down. It's not worth it, mate. Thank you. That's the first time I've ever caught anyone on their phone. He was just like, yeah, I'm guilty. He just didn't, there's this blank expression on his face. That was quite exciting, you know, telling someone to get off their phone. It's like a new experience for me. I didn't quite do it right. I mean, I did that instead of that. It's like, rock on, dude. Oh, for the love of God. Go on. I know technically that's not wrong, but it's just really annoying when stuff like that happens because there's no markings on the roundabout. That's why I think there should be markings on every roundabout saying you go in that lane, you go in that lane, jobs are good and everyone's happy. No one is at risk of dying. Oh, that's nice. There we go, you see, now I get to filter past him. Give him a little thumbs up, let him know it's all booky. No customers left in the vehicle overnight. What? Ah, oh, I don't know if that's serious or meant as a joke. What was the point in that? I'm on a bike, mate. You ain't gonna beat me.